Hi, welcome to Pay It Forward. Today, of course, is launch day for April Masterclass, and this month I have succumbed to your wishes. This month I have been asked, ever since I first ever created this little pig, it's a little baby pig, ever since I created it for a collector years ago, I have been asked by so many people either to make it for them or to create it as a pattern, and I have given in. And I'm so glad I did, because it was such a joy to make. Now, she is tiny, she's very sweet, she's made up in mohair. You're going to need some pile fabric with this one. But the detailing in this one is what brings it all together, and there's lots of new techniques to learn. We're adding little trotters, and we have a beautiful sculpted muzzle. I'm going to show you up close now. I don't have a name for her, maybe you can all help me out with that. But let's take a closer look at my beautiful little art doll baby pig. So may I present to you my beautiful little artist doll, a little pig. She's in my baby doll style. So a very realistic baby style body. Lots of detailing on this one. Although she's small, she's packs a punch, this one. We've got some very important sculpting to do in the muzzle there. We've got some beautiful eye needle felting detail, fantastic formed and shaped ears. Gorgeous little trotters that we add to those feet. Some new techniques to learn. And of course with this one, we also create that beautiful set, lovely little pajamas, which have the little pantaloons and the little jacket. This jacket is handy for several of your art dolls moving forward, and it will fit some of your little bears as well. And of course, the beautiful little duck to go with her. These colours I've kept very classic, but of course you can make them up in all sorts. She does need mohair. She definitely needs pile. Well, it doesn't have to be mohair. There's several fabrics you could use, but she definitely does need pile. So I'm so glad that you all pestered me for this one, because she's been an absolute joy to make this month, and I hope you've enjoyed seeing her. So what do you think? Do you love her? And has anybody thought of a name yet? Tell me in the comments. Give me an idea for some names. I'm usually pretty good with that, and even Mr. T let me down this month with that one. The names he was coming up with were just absolutely outrageous. So not suitable for a little vintage lady. So yeah, give me some ideas in the comments. Tell me what you think of her. I really hope you've enjoyed seeing her. She's going to be a whole lot of fun to make up. And all of you on Pay It Forward, not in Masterclass, I'm dropping the little duck, that beautiful little rubber duck pattern for you. And remember, with that one, you can enlarge it, you can make it smaller. Smaller would be a challenge, but you can enlarge it and make it quite a substantial little duck, so long as you remember to enlarge your neck joint as well. So lots of fun with that one. Lots more coming up right here on Pay It Forward. Masterclass it's really got me at the moment. I'm really back into design mode, and I'm wanting to really step it up. So a little step up here with little pig. There's lots of techniques in there. They're a little challenging. I hope if you have not joined me in Masterclass, you might pop over and have a look and at least check us out. I'll put all of the links down below, and you can come along and see what we're about there. Also, we have a fantastic Facebook group, which I have to say is second to none, and not because of me, nothing to do with me, because of all of you people. It's such a friendly group. You never see that online, where a group has no issues. Everybody is supportive. There's something about the vibe of what we do. Thank you so much, because that's keeping that message of paying the good things forward, which you all need to do. So everybody have a fantastic creative week ahead. Tell me what you think, and remember to request things, because sometimes requests do come true. So thanks so much for your support and your help. Like I said, have a fantastic creative week. Keep on paying all of those good things forward, and until next time, it is hooroo from me.